How to remove phone number from TikTok. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you have to open up your TikTok application on your device. If you have got multiple TikTok accounts, then make sure to log into the account in which you want to make the change. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to see the homepage of TikTok like this, from where you can see the various TikTok videos. So in order to remove phone number, you need to go to your account settings. For that, you need to tap on your profile option in the right bottom corner. And from here, you have to tap on the 3-bar horizontal line in the right upper corner. And you have to go for settings and privacy. Under settings, you have to go for account. And you have to go for account information, where you'll be able to see all of your informations that includes your phone number, email, account reason and contact information. In order to remove phone number, you have to tap on phone number option, where the two options will be available, either change phone number or unlink phone. Since we are trying to remove phone number, you have to go for unlink phone, and after a few seconds of loading, your phone number will be unlinked from TikTok, which means you'll be able to remove phone number from TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.